Now we're starting to see the crypto market pick up again, and that means we are back with meme coins and NFTs, and there is a lot of money to be made if you do this right. So in this video, we're going to talk about Wall Street memes.
Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money.
Let's get into today's video. So here we are over on wallstreetmemes.com, link down below in the description. Basically, guys, this is an NFT making fun, effectively, of Wall Street and all the things that go on with the big money in Wall Street, because you may have noticed that the small money, i.e. you and me, are basically manipulated into making decisions all the time through following what Wall Street says, and this allows Wall Street to make lots of money. So coming down below, you can see that this is pretty cool in terms of the artwork and things here, and this is sort of lots of different memes and things like this. So the WSM token, the little guy challenged Wall Street in the infamous GameStop fiasco of 2021, and the legacy of those brave Wall Street bets heroes endure until today. Born out of that movement was the Wall Street memes, the ultimate expression of the internet's triumph over rampant capitalism. Greed is good, said Gordon Gekko in the 80s, and he got rich off useless stocks. Around 30 years later, hundreds of arguably even more useless meme coins allow ordinary people to do the same. And this is quite cool because crypto is a very interesting vehicle that allows normal people like you and me to be able to actually make great income that nobody else really has ever been able to do before, unlike with Wall Street, where they've got lots of money and they can aim for like 5 to 10% gains. If you haven't got so much, then 5 to 10% doesn't really excite you that much. Now, what's important about this as a project, they already have 1 million people in their community, 40 million impressions per month, and unlimited memes. This is really powerful, guys, because if you have a big community, these projects sell out extremely fast. So let's just see how to buy the Wall Street Memes token. So first of all, take charge and buy Wall Street Memes token in pre-sale ETH, BNB, or USDT, or you can also use a bank card before it's listed on the DEX. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do, send Ethereum or BNB to your wallet, ideally something like a MetaMask wallet, and then you can do this pre-sale or take part in the pre-sale widget, which is above, to swap for WSM. You can then buy WSM tokens in the USDT with using the ERC20 or the BP20. Use the USDT option to swap your desired amount. Prefer plastic, no problem. Have your own crypto wallet, and you can do this with your bank card. So if we go back up to this, then you can see this is pretty much straightforward, right? So what we can do up here, guys, obviously connect your wallet, your MetaMask, etc. And that can be done by clicking on Buy Now. And you can see that Buy Now will drop down this connect wallet. You then just need to connect the appropriate wallet here. And then you need to fill out the amount in ETH you want to pay, or USDT, or if you're using a credit card. So obviously, you just choose whichever one you want, and then you can buy your WSM or Wall Street Memes tokens here. You can see that there is a USDT raise tab here, $5.4 million of a total of $5.8 million. So you're actually running out of time. There's not a huge amount of time left to purchase these particular meme coins. Now we come down below, we can understand a little bit more about what this is all about. Phase 1, foundation, obviously development of smart contracts, community team building. Obviously, a lot of this has already been happening. And then into phase 2, which is where we are now pretty much, token launch, and then into things like partnerships with other meme creators, influencers, content platforms, token listings on popular decentralized exchanges, and then exchange listings, centralized exchanges, awareness campaigns, etc. Guys, this can be pretty hyped up, and we think that potentially it's arriving at the right time. Crypto markets do look like they're about to take off, and this could be a good one. But obviously, guys, you need to do your own investigation into this. Trading meme coins particularly can be very high risk, so don't use any money that you can't afford to lose. Coming down below, you can see all these other things. Market cap, aiming for 1 billion market capitalization. Obviously, that would be great. Let's see whether or not that is possible or not. Coming down below, then you come down to token. Now you can see phase 3, looking into market cap goals and things like this, aiming for $1 billion and centralized exchange listings. And then into the tokenomics, you can see 50% would be towards marketing, which is pretty high, 30% community rewards, centralized exchange liquidity, DEX. And then ambassadors here, you can see various people within the crypto community. Currently there is Crypto Jamie, and will be probably some more coming up. You want to go and check out Crypto Jamie, you can just click on his Twitter. Next here is this guy here. You can go and look at the other projects he's talked about in the past to identify whether or not this is something you want to get into. There's also various rewards coming out, guys. 50k in WSM tokens will be airdropped, and you can see you can just take part in the airdrop through here, and then be a part of this whole ecosystem. Now, if you come across the Twitter, guys, you can see it's pretty large already. Joined in October 2019, 227,000 followers. Pretty exciting. Lots of things happening with this project right now, and lots of memes and stuff going on, as you would imagine. So guys, if you want to find out more about this project, make sure you go through the link down below in the description to come across and check out Wall Street Memes. Obviously running out of time, so if you want to get involved, then you need to get in early using either BNB tokens, Ethereum tokens, USDT, or you can use a credit card, all straightforward enough. Hit the link down below, guys. If you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video.